Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to find the player UUID on a Hytale server. All you have to do is head over to Server.pro, then head into your Hytale server. In the console, you can then type the following command, /whoami, and then player name. For example, I'll type in my name. After pressing enter, the console will display the UUID associated with that player. Keep in mind the player needs to be online and in the server in order for this command to work. Alternatively, you can also locate the player's UUID directly in the server files. All you have to do is go to Files tab on the left and then navigate to Universe and then Players. Here you'll see each file name corresponding to a player's UUID. All you have to do is open them up, and each file will show the username associated with that ID. Therefore, you can then match the player to their UUID. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.